Introducing your next hobby investment, the Peerless Black 2500. This compressor is ideal for domestic use, aiming to run some common air tools such as a riveter gun, a car tire inflator, or a low pressure spray gun while being on a budget. This is all capable as this unit's pump comes with a cast iron barrel with an alloy head, allowing ease of heat transfer. This pump produces 154 litres per minute of free air at 100 psi with a max pressure of 145 psi. This pump is directly driven by a 2.5 horsepower electric motor fitted with your standard 10 amp 240 volt plug. Both the motor and the pump come with a 1-year industrial warranty. This unit features dual 1/4-inch air outlets with pressure gauges and a fitted regulator, so you can adjust the pressure to fit the requirements of your air tools. This unit also comes with solid wheels and a removable handle while weighing in at only 25 kilograms, meaning this compressor is easily maneuverable around a workshop or job site, while the removable handle allows for confined storage. The Peerless Black 2500 also comes in a twin tank model for an even more compact design. If you would like more information on the PB2500 or the rest of our range of Peerless products, feel free to visit our website, social medias, or any one of our local air compressor centres across Australia. Alternatively, call our office on 03 54 34 4200.